at the moment. This highway we are supposed to drive like 55 miles, but we are driving like 30 miles, 35, because it is kind of slippery. So this is the speed limit, but this is the highway. It is 75 or 70. It is I-94, so it is not 55 is the speed limit when it is like exits. So this is how the streets are at the moment. People are driving slowly because of the weather. You can't drive so fast. So, and it is -5 guys outside. Can you imagine? So it is very, very, very cold. -5, that means it is very, very, very cold. And it is going to be very cold, so it's gonna be -21. Wow, the very cold weekend. So, but we have to get out. We can't stick into the house. We have to get out. The good thing, if you have your car is heated, that you are good to go. As you keep driving, you can't see far because of the snow. So you have to keep driving very slowly. And this one is I-29. So good. That's why people are driving so slowly. Look at this. Travel alerts. Reduce speed. Did you see that? So they have to give warning so that you can know, like, even if you are driving so fast, even if you have an emergency, you have to drive very slowly for your safety and for the safety of other drivers. We are almost in the middle of January, and this is the amount of snow we got so far, and we thank God because we haven't been having so much snow. So as you can see, if you look so well, you can see some grasses. It is not so much covered like last year. By now it should be, the snow on the ground should be the snow which if I stand in, I will just, it will just be like I will stand all my feet inside the snow. I will sink into the snow, but we don't have much snow. Yeah, but so this is how it is looking like outside, all the places. The place is not so busy because, you know, when it is snowing, most people, they don't like getting outside. Most people, they like staying indoors. Some people, they don't even like driving during snow time. So most people, they are indoors unless you have an emergency or unless you are going out for something which is so pressing. This is the ideal time for those people who are doing like door dashing, delivery from stores, food delivery. This is the ideal time you get to make good money. Because most people, they don't want to go outside, so they have to order online. As you can see, even I-94, there is no much vehicles because most people, they are chilling. You go out when you have to. This is the outside. Oh, it's very cold. We are here in the store called Costco. We just came to this store. I've never been to it, so I'm gonna go around and see how things are. Then I will be able to take you around. Ooh, but it is so cold. It's kind of like a wholesale, but you have to have a membership card before you just go in to do any purchases. So this place is so big. They have even a place where you can buy food, sit down and eat. done shopping from this store, Costco, and we had a great moment because we got to find so many things, and at a considerable price because they sell like wholesale. So we're gonna head outside to our cold -5. Let me try to put on my swells. So they have to check out the receipt of security evidence. No one can steal. This is how outside is. I think it's getting more and more. It's very cold, guys. I can't even hold my phone. So guys, it's very cold. You can't imagine. It is now -6. So by night it's gonna be like 21 or something else. So it's really cold, and we are trying to survive this weather. Let me show you. We are running into the snow because it is very cold. You have to dress warm, whether you like it or not. You have to dress warm. Others are kissing even if it is cold. Mapenzi. Mapenzi. Just comfort each other like we will survive. Wow.
What's wrong with this guy?
He has to give way. Another guy is wearing a short. Wow, some people. Everybody's wearing a jacket and heavy jackets. You have to dress warm whether you like it or not. Look at this. Look. Just see by yourself. Those of you who don't know what we go through here, it's not fun, guys. It's not fun. It's not fun. I know back in Africa when it is raining so much, people can boycott even going to work and say that it was raining. But here, come sunshine, come rain, come snow, come storm, you have to go to work and make that money. And then when people ask you for money and then you don't have to give them, they hate you because you denied them that you don't have money. Here, if somebody is giving you the American money, use it wisely and say thank you like 1,000 times, because you don't know where they get that money from. See how the streets are. It's getting worse and worse, and you know right now they have closed some highways because of this storm, because we had like a blizzard warning. This is how it is. Driving is very difficult right now. Driving is very difficult. Even going to work, I don't know, but this is the time you go to work and then you don't know the time you're gonna come back home, because people will not show up because of the weather and you have to stay at work. They can't release you and leave the floor with nobody. You you have to stay. So you go to work not knowing when you're gonna come back. And if you don't have anybody for your kids at home, if you have kids, oh my goodness, kids or dogs, because some people, they have dogs, the dog is treated like a kid. So if you have them at home, it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. So this is the life in the diaspora. Wale munasema majuu ukikuja hapa hamta survive. Hamta survive. Nikubaridi jo, nikubaridi. Ila mnaonanga mvua ikinyesha watu wanaanza kusema oh, ni msimu wa baridi. Hiyo sio kitu mnasemanga. Kujeni huku ndio mjione. Kujeni. That's when you will know what it means to say it is cold. Hapo tunasemanga ikiwa saa zile hakunanga jua na kuna kibaridi kidogo, tunasema ni baridi. Saa hii it is negative. Can you imagine going negative? But we have been surviving and we will survive by the grace of God. So this is how the traffic is. You have to drive very slowly, otherwise we land into the ditch. And the good thing, they are trying so hard to put salt on these roads. That's why you see that the snow is not sticking on the roads, because they have to put salt to make the snow melt away and to make the roads not to be so slippery. So that's how it is. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, and let me know what you want me to show you on my next video. Please subscribe. Give the video a like. Don't watch without giving a like, please. Liking it doesn't take even a second. It's just to press that thumbs up thing, and then you have liked the video. Comment and let me know what you feel about this weather here, or what if you are in this diaspora, you're gonna tell me how the weather is where you are and how it is like, because here in America some places they don't even get the snow. Right now some people are wearing very light clothes, but here we are wearing like layers of clothes. You have to dress really warm, very warm, no jokes. You have to dress warm. So this is it. As you can see, visibility is reducing. It's not like the time I started the video. It is like reducing. So by the end of the day, we don't know how it's gonna be, because I think they said it's gonna snow all this weekend. So we don't know how much we're gonna get and how long it's gonna be. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. Please like the video, watch, subscribe, share. Invite your friends. Bring them into this channel. It is a friendly channel. We don't have anything bad. We are friends. You are my friends, and I appreciate. Then I will be dedicating myself to give you the content that you deserve. So for now, look at this. It's getting worse, but all in all, we have to cope with it.